What is up, everybody? Nate here with Good Vibe Sports Cards, bringing the last 3 boxes of one of the inner cases that we received from Blowout Sports. So, had a pretty good run so far. Not the greatest. So, still believe we got one more inner case to go. So we have 13 more boxes to go. So not going to judge yet, but looking for more fire, man. Hit a Cole Saquon, hit a 101, but man, we need some more. So let's get to it here. Again, as always, 6 cards, 2 autographs per box, 1 on card. So let's get these bad boys going. Brought a couple more of our friends here. Brought Mr. Dorsett, the gold, I guess the out of 23, Baker Mayfield out of the select cards. Peyton Manning, 2 out of 15, and then kept our boy Mahomes up there. I mean, nobody hotter than Mahomes right now, right? So, to keep this mojo going, we will be trying to pull a monster. We need a monster. I feel a monster. I'm not going to stop until we get one. And that's how this is going to go. Off there. All right. Let's get to it. But to do it. Go. And these guys to the front. All right, start this off with a Michael Gallup, Traquan Smith, round 3. Round numbers, that is 62 out of 175. Base Melvin Gordon. Base J.J. Watt. We have a blue, purple. It's purple. Phillip Rivers. That will be out of 99. First hit. Flip it over. Card number 177. The Patriot we are not looking for, Mr. Danny Etling. That is out of 12 out of 99. We were looking for number 12, right? Not the guy that we were looking for, though. And then it looks like we have card number 117. That is not numbered. It looks like we have a Kerryon Johnson rookie ticket. I think that guy, like I said before, great back, man. I think he's going to be great there in Detroit. They can surround him with some other talent. Hopefully, maybe a new quarterback, right? Stafford's all right, but definitely not one of my favorites. Pull these out to the front. We have Prism, Desmond Trufant, Julio Jones. That is out of 49. X's and O's. Base Robbie Anderson. Base Devontae Adams. We have a red Andrew Luck. That is going to be out of 199, 131 out of 199, Andrew Luck. For our first hit, flip it over. Card number 196. That is Justin Watson, 49 out of 99. Justin Watson. Saw a little peek through the color back there and don't know how excited I am about this. JS. Rookie of the Year Contenders, Mr. Jalen Samuels, 132 out of 149. Hopefully that'll get me one of those cowboy cards my boy pulled the other night. So, it could turn out to be a good thing if he'll quit being stingy with it. Sending on down my way. You don't even like the Cowboys. He hoards them up for some reason. I don't know why. Bring this to the front. All right. Little round numbers. Baker and Sam Darnold. That is going to be 18 out of 175. Add that to the Baker collection. We have a Julian Edelman, MVP of the Super Bowl, base. Khalil Mack, one-man wrecking crew. Oh, what do we have here? Let's see here. We have a printing plate. Joe Flacco, Contenders Optic, 2018 printing plate. Haven't seen those yet. Haven't seen one pulled yet. Pretty cool. Too bad he's in Denver now. Right? Is that where he went? I believe so. All right, flip this around. Number 197. Deion Kane. This is going to be our sticker, rookie ticket. Guy wasn't healthy last year. Hopefully he can get back on the field. I think he'll be a good addition to that team. All right, number 110. Oh, seems like we're attracted to this guy tonight. Number 83 out of 99 from San Diego State. Mr. Rashad Penny, RP. All right, guys, that was in that inner case. Appreciate you tuning in. Hopefully this next inner case, hopefully it is a banging box, man. We need it. We need it. We need to go. All right, guys, appreciate it. Have a good night. Good times. Good vibes. Good night.